Today we will present how to make cloud egg in ESL project.
We need 4 eggs. And separate the yolk from the white egg.
And put all the eggs on the big bowl. And the next thing that we're gonna use is hand mixer.
And then you have to spin the white eggs until it gets fluffy. You need about 2 to 3 minutes.
Wow, it's so cute! Now this already look like cloud.
And then we put 4 scoops of white egg into the plate.
And put all of them in the oven for 2 or 3 minutes.
And then put 4 spoons of yolk on top of the white egg.
If you want bread, you can bake it with butter.
Put all of things out of the oven and you can enjoy with little cloud egg.